Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about mensuration and the topics we are going to discuss in this video are area of irregular shapes, then area of rectangle, and third one is area of square. So now come to area. Area is the total amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure. Okay. It is a space that contained inside the figure is known as whatever may be the space, that space is known as area of that figure. To find the area of irregular shapes, to find the area of irregular closed figure, we can put them on the graph paper with the square of 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter. That is, the length is 1 centimeter and breadth is 1 centimeter. Then estimate the area of that figure by counting area of the square covered in by the figure. Okay. So here is 1 square equal to taken as 1 square unit. Okay. In the graph paper, we count 1 square box as 1 square unit. Here is an example. Find the area of the given figure. Okay, taking 1 square equal to, that is 1 box equal to 1 meter square. So first step, we have to count the number of complete square and number of incomplete square. That we can say that half filled square. After that, we can find the area of this figure. Now come to the solution. First count number of fully filled square, like this box. Okay, small box is the full filled square. You have to count this type of box. Okay, complete box. And in this figure there are 32 fully filled square, complete square. Next we will count the half filled square, like this one, 1, 2, 3. All these are the half filled square. You have to count that type of figure. Number of half filled square in this picture is, in this shape is 21. Okay, if we count number of half filled square, like there are 3 here. Okay, then it is 4, 5, 6, 7. In this way, if we count the number of half filled square, we will get that one as 21. Now come to formula for this one. Area covered by the square equal to full filled square multiplied by 1 and half filled square. Okay, that we have to multiply with half. Okay, so area of full filled square equal to, here it is 32 complete picture, 32 full filled square, that is 32 multiplied by 1 equal to 32 square unit. Second one, area covered by the half filled square. Okay, or half square is, there are 21 half square in which you have to multiply half. Okay, so 21 multiplied by half equal to 10.5 square unit. Next step is you have to add the area of half filled square and full filled square. So total area covered by the figure equal to 32, that is the area covered by full filled square, and 10.5, that is the area covered by half filled square. If we add these two, we are getting 42.5 square unit. So the area of this shape is 42.5 square unit. Okay. Next come to area of rectangle. As you know that a rectangle is a closed figure or polygon that is made up of 4 line segment and opposite pair of sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree. We have to find the area of this shape, means we have to find the space that contained inside the figure, and the longer side is length and shorter side is breadth. Next, area of the rectangle equal to, as you know that it is the length is the longer side and breadth is the shorter side. So if we multiply that two, we will get the area of this figure, that is area of rectangle equal to length multiplied by breadth. Now come to an example. Find the area of rectangle whose length and breadth are 20 cm and 12 cm respectively, means length is 20 cm and breadth is 12 cm. Okay, so solution is, we have to write whatever we have given in the question, that is length of rectangle is 20 cm, breadth of rectangle is 12 cm, then area of rectangle equal to, as you have already discussed, that is length multiplied by breadth. Okay, so length is 20, breadth is 12, 20 12 ja 240 square centimeter. Okay, this unit is important. You have to write the unit. Okay, while you are calculating the area, you have to write that square centimeter or centimeter square to the power 2. Okay. Next one. What will be the length of rectangle if its breadth is 6 meter and area is 48 square meter? Here you have to find the length of the rectangle. We have given that breadth is 6 meter and area is 48 square meter. Come to the solution. Breadth of the rectangle is 6 meter, area of the rectangle is 48 square meter. So to find the length, there is a formula, that is area equal to length multiplied by breadth. So length equal to area divided by breadth. So length equal to 48 divided by 6, that equal to 8. Look at this one, 48 divided by 6 equal to 8. Clear? Next come to area of square. Square is a closed figure and all sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree. So we have to find the area, means we have to find the space that present inside the closed figure. Clear? So area of the square is the region covered by the boundary of the square, as I have already told. So area of square equal to same length multiplied by breadth. Here all sides are equal, so it is side multiplied by side, that equal to square side. Okay, side of square. Okay. So here is an example. Calculate the area of the square of side 13 centimeter. We have given that side of the square is 13 centimeter. So area of square equal to side multiplied by side, that is 13 multiplied by 13, that equal to 169 centimeter square, or you can write square centimeter. Okay, whatever you can use the unit. That's all. Thank you.